Where are we going in asset management? I don't know. I mentioned that most of my work has been in the private sector. There are huge advances in data gathering and in automated decision making in the private sector, particularly in manufacturing. And there are huge advances in not just outsourcing, but in assets as a service that are coming into the manufacturing and commercial sectors. Those have to hit at some point into public infrastructure. I mean, and I think we really need to pay attention to those developments. And I've tried to advocate for a lot more attention to data and data-driven decision making, and in many ways automated decision making for many areas of asset management. And there's a lot out there, but it's frightening stuff. I mean, it's the level of data that we can collect and process, and our ability to process that, and the biases that sneak in when we do that. They're all there, but they have to be addressed. I think head in the sand won't do it. And particularly when I talk to public infrastructure people, I think, well, somebody's going to come along and offer to take over your railroad, or your street, or your bridge, or whatever it is, and sell it back to you at a profit. So, are you ready for that? Do you know how to negotiate that? Do you know what to ask for? Do you know what the effects will be? You want to build a digital twin. Okay, that's one thing if you're building a factory. It's another thing if you're building an airport. All the stuff is going to be possible, but it needs some real serious thought and engagement. And it is possible to build an integrated approach to standards, which cuts across both the ISO international standards, but across industry and national standards as well. And I think I wouldn't want to leave without saying that seems to me a huge opportunity for making sense out of the world that you're living in.